In this review, we explore the search features, whether it is the right business management solution for you. So to get started, think of search as a special computer program for business. It helps them keep track of their money, pay their workers, and manage their customers. It's like having a helpful assistant that organizes all important information in one place. This makes it easier for business owners to see how their company is doing and make a smart choice. Now, talking about the top features about this platform, these features can make everyday business tasks much simpler and more efficient. So, let's take a close look at some of the best ones. One of the best features on this platform, which is the balance sheet report. It also comes with a customer tax invoice together with the email invoice and all of the key important features like inventory management and project management as well. So talking about the pricing plan, we have different general ideas of the what you might expect on this pricing plan. We have the pro plan, we have the premium plan, we have the consum plan, and we have the HR and payroll bundle plan. So if you want more information, you can simply get back to the website to check more about their pricing plan. And that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this website. Thanks.